dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
People Democratic Party (PDP) stated that Nigerian workers and citizens have been subjected to misery, hardship, and insecurity in the last 9 years by APC government. Moving on, we have Philip Shaibu, the former deputy governor of Edo State, has urged that the residents of the state should not vote for a candidate that can't speak their indigenous language. My people, Kasla don't boss. But before we comment fully with this news, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also the notification bell in case anytime our news drop. Now you go be the first to watch and my people no be small kata they happen for this country. Now the People Democratic Party (PDP) have stated that Nigerian workers and citizens have been subjected to misery, hardship, and insecurity in the last 9 years by APC government. PDP made this known in the statement signed by Debo Olugbunagba, the PDP National Publicity Secretary, on Wednesday. He congratulated Nigerian workers on this year International Workers' Day. He noted that the ruling party wrecked the nation productivity sector and brought distress to the national life. Mr. Olugbunagba charged Nigerians to use this resilient spirit to resist all anti-people tendency that seeks to compromise and undermine the democratic tenet of freedom, rule of law, accountability, probity in the country. So right now, PDP has condemned the continuity increase in electricity tariff and the price of petroleum products. The PDP have also saluted Nigerian workers for remaining steadfast as the real drivers of the national economy despite the hardship and the life discontinued condition occasioned by the ill-implemented economy and fiscal policies of the All Progressive Congress administration. Their party is deeply distraught that Nigerian workers and indeed millions of other citizens have in the last 9 years been subjected to misery, hallowing economic hardship and worsening insecurity by APC government, which have wrecked the nation productivity sector and brought distress to our national life. The PDP particularly condemned the continued increase in electricity tariff and the price of petroleum products, with petroleum now selling at over 1,000 per litre in various parts of the country, a situation that has resulted in astronomical increase in the cost of living and worsened the economic hardship in the country. So, as the party of the people, the PDP demand that APC-led federal government ends the insensitivity towards Nigerians and use the occasion of the Workers' Day to review all the retrogressive policies and take urgent action towards addressing issues that have direct bearing to the welfare of the citizens. The PDP have also urged Nigerian workers and indeed all citizens not to give up hope but remain steadfast in their commitment towards a stable, united and prosperous nation, especially at this challenging time. Now people call the talk say the only mistake APC did is allowing Buhari as president, that if Tinubu is the president after Goodluck Jonathan, then Nigeria will be far better than this. That all they know is that if PDP were good, they wouldn't have voted them out to support APC because they remember everyone was shouting say Baba, even some of PDP members supported APC. But my people, towards Buhari time, many people still they see road. But as a Miloko come, it come be like say the matter come worse. So APC na APC, be it Buhari or Tinubu, the party no they try at all. People are suffering, honestly. So both of them no try. Both of them did not perform well. Even President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on 9 wars pass. During Buhari, Nigeria they see better road. But now, the matter can't get as it be. So guys, I go like make a know what you think about this matter in the comment section. I go like hear from Una. Moving on to the next one. Philip Shaibu, the former deputy governor of Edo State, has urged the residents of the state not to vote for the candidates that can't speak their indigenous language. The impeached deputy governor made this call on Monday in Irua, the administrative headquarters of the state Eastern Central Local Government area, saying that he would only back a homeboy for governor. He went on to say that a candidate who needed an interpreter did not qualify as a homeboy since he couldn't speak the Edo dialects. He stated this today, that they have decided that a homeboy that they know will become the Edo State governor, that they already know that Edo born in Lagos State is not a homeboy. He said that if there is anyone who comes in with an interpreter, that person is not a homeboy, that is a minus for them and they will not vote for him because he's not a homeboy. Although Shaibu did not name the candidate, the PDP governorship candidate Aslo had previously faced criticism for hiring an interpreter to announce his intention to his kinsmen at a ward in Hawohimi Eastern Southeast local government area of the state. Ihodalo was captured on film meeting with his kinsmen. In a video, Ihodalo was running for the PDP ticket at the time. He addressed the crowd in English and asked for their support. As an interpreter, he translated the word Ihodalo said into Asian. Also speaking, the party national vice chairman South Zone, Dan Obi, vowed not to campaign for the party if the crisis in the party is not solved. He said that the re-election of Godwin Obaseki has only brought pain and anger to members of the party and the people of the state at large. So in Edo State, PDP, all is not well with them until they see the concrete step taken by the PDP government in the state to address all those issues that they have raised in the course of their campaign. Until he sees this concrete step to address the promise they have made to the Edo people, then that is when he will be able to face anybody to tell them that they should vote for PDP at the next election. But right now, he has not seen any concrete step that PDP have taken to address the issue they have at heart. Obi told Obaseki that if he can't treat the people the way they treated him, that you can imagine what it would be if they allow them to continue. That he can see the pain and anger in the faces of the people and the members of PDP, and he cannot pretend to say all is well. And he have come out clearly to decline to serve in the Edo State PDP Governorship Campaign Council, that his decision is based on how he feels that members of the PDP were badly treated after the re-election of Godwin Obaseki. Prior to the PDP governorship primary election, Obaseki and Shaibu, along with their supporters, had been in disagreements over who would be the PDP candidate. And Ihodalo emerged as the winner of the PDP primary election, with Shaibu being impeached as the deputy governor of the state. So this, however, deepens the division with the state chapter of the party as opposition gathered within the party against Obaseki and the party's candidate. Things have not been well with PDP. Many people have been, waiting for PDP in 2024 governorship election. Most of them are not going to vote for PDP because of the crisis they are having at hand. And if they didn't address it before the governorship election, I don't think PDP will have any votes during the election. So it's better they address that issue right now before the forthcoming governorship election in September 2024. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share, and also turn notification bell to get notified when we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our missing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. On this note, we have come to the end of this segment. Like, comment, stay safe, guys. Bye.